Hi, I'm Peter Harmon, the food guru. I want to turn you on to one of my favorite martinis. It's a martini that doesn't even have vodka. I discovered this in Las Vegas in the Bellagio during my honeymoon. So therefore, it's called a honeymoon in Vegas. Let's make one. We need 1.5 ounces of Captain Morgan rum. You got to get the captain in you. We need 1.5 ounces of orange curacao. We need 3/4 ounce of sweet and sour mix. This is fresh sweet and sour mix. And then we need a splash of OJ. Just a splash. Now, we're going to top this with a stainless steel tumbler and smack it so it's tight. I want to drink the martini, I don't want to wear it. So, shake. You want to shake vigorously. Our martinis are shaken, not stirred. Remember, stirring is for sissies. Now, see how good a seal I got on that puppy? Smack on top of the bar. Now we're cooking. Okay, so I want to strain this martini into a glass. Check out this rim. This rim is a cinnamon sugar rim. It's 7 parts sugar, 1 part cinnamon. Perfect. Okay, we're going to garnish this drink with an orange flag. And if you really want to have a little bit of fun, give it a monkey. I'm Peter Harmon, and this is a honeymoon in Vegas just for you.